K4000 Brewer requires regular cleaning and sanitization. Begin by removing the parts that require cleaning and sanitization. To prepare the cleaning solution, pour 8 ounces of cleaning solution for every 128 ounces of warm water into a basin. Mix well and place K4000 parts into the solution to soak. Let sit for 30 minutes. If parts cannot be removed, then dab a soft cloth into the solution and use it to coat the part. Let sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove parts from the solution and rinse well using tap water to remove the cleaning residue. If the parts were not removed from the appliance, wipe well using a soft cloth dipped into tap water to remove the cleaning residue. To prepare the sanitization solution, pour 1/4 ounce sanitization solution for every 128 ounces of water into a basin. Place K4000 parts into the solution to soak and let sit for 1 minute. If parts cannot be removed, then dab a soft cloth into the solution and use it to coat the part. Let sit for 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the parts from the solution and lay out to air dry. Do not rinse. Call us at 888-CUP-BREW and select option 5 with any questions. Thank you.